Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a BMW 6 Series 2010, and many people are asking, can you add Apple CarPlay to these old cars? And the answer is yes, you can add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on these old cars with the BMW iDrive screens. So what we've done is we fully retrofitted in CarPlay and Android as well as full mirroring onto this BMW 6 Series, as you can see. So I'm going to show you the way the system works. It's all wireless, so there's no wires in it, so you don't need to use wires. If you want to use a wire, you can use a wire, but it's all wireless. So you've got Android, you've got CarPlay. So you've got CarPlay running at the moment, as you can see, full CarPlay on your original iDrive screen. And you can use your original controller to control the system. So you got just supported apps such as Maps, Waze, WhatsApp, radio, anything like that you got on your phone, it will come up on here. It is a bit slow, that is down to the phone. The phone is very old. Otherwise, if you had a new phone, it will work much faster. But yeah, you get full access to your maps. Any other apps that are supported will work. Additionally, the system will not affect any of your original iDrive functions. So you can switch back to it by pressing your one button on your controller, and it switches to the iDrive screen, as you can see. So nothing's changed, it just goes on top and back to your CarPlay screen. You can also use your steering wheel controls, so volume, as you can hear. I'm increasing the volume now. So yeah, your steering wheel controls also work, so everything's fully integrated within one system. So if you want this system installed on your BMW 6 Series, give us a call on 0208 554 5554.